How
Yes.
can someone get started with a self-directed IRA to grow their bottom line with note lending?
Okay. So going back here, these are three companies. I'm not being compensated for these recommendations at all. I do a lot of business with this custodian here. You can simply call these guys,
Right.
any one of these three companies, and tell them you want to open up a self-directed IRA. There is no charge to do this. You can convert from a 401k to a self-directed IRA.
Yes.
If you have a self-directed IRA with, for example, Charles Schwab or Merrill Lynch or Bear Stearns, whatever, whoever it may be, you can transfer that standard traditional IRA with those companies
Hmm.
to a self-directed IRA. Now, I want to emphasize self. When you have an IRA with Merrill Lynch, Smith Barney, Charles Schwab, those guys offer traditional IRAs because they control your IRA.
Right.
And you can only buy what they offer from their firm in
Hmm.
that IRA.
Right.
When you open a self-directed IRA, you literally have the power of what it says. You are self-directing. You can self-direct your IRA funds to these type of investments here,
Hmm.
which are all of these opportunities here: assets, real estate alternatives. You can do stocks, rental properties, gold, startups, etc. Assets you can even have with vacation homes and that type of thing. So all you need to do is call one of these companies here
Hmm.
and tell them you want to open up a self-directed IRA. If the traditional IRA, if you're going to use that to convert to a self-directed IRA, there is no cost for that. It takes 3 days for the transfer. You simply call them. They will arrange the paperwork to send to your current holder of the traditional IRA, and then will transfer those funds into your newly directed IRA with these companies. And then once you're with these companies, you simply need to invest in what you know, things you understand, things you're comfortable with, things you might want to invest in. And these companies will do exactly what you have directed them to do. Now you put your funds into investment opportunities. I highly recommend mortgage notes or an investment mortgage fund, such as the CEO fund, and give someone like myself, a fund manager, a call, or simply reach out to BD, Dr. Cashflow, for opportunities that will offer benefits from investing into mortgage notes that you can either JV with
Hmm.
or become what is called a hypothecation lender, or if you will, in simple terms, a private lender, because you can loan private funds from your self-directed IRA and charge interest on that money. Some cases, people charge as high as 9% interest on those funds. It really depends. Some people I've seen with self-directed IRAs for the fix and flippers that want to use money for fix and flipper because the risk is higher. Generally, the private lenders are going to charge anywhere between 12 and 14% interest on that money. So it is a profitable business. You got to know what you're doing. But the reason I recommend mortgage notes is because there's not a lot of elbow grease that you have to put in that investment. Once you buy the mortgage note, you simply sit back, drink a cup of coffee, and enjoy the monthly visits of your dollars coming back to your IRA account.
Right. Absolutely. Well,
It's
thank
beautiful.
you. That is awesome. What a wealth of knowledge. Thank you so
Yeah, it's,
much,
it's
Carlo.
fantastic. And thank you. Thank you very much. And I want to let everybody know Dr. Cashflow, she can help you. She definitely can help you. And this is something that I highly recommend. And of course, if you're ever interested in investing into a fund, give me a call.
Absolutely. So thank you all for joining us. And as Carlo said, if you are in need of help, in fact, even if reaching out to these third-party organizations is overwhelming for you, just reach out below or send me an email if you're interested in just have helping us helping you to walk through the process where it's too overwhelming for you. We can definitely handhold you through that process so that you can be able to have that secure and worry-free investment and prepare for a secure retirement as well as leaving that financial legacy for generations to come.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah,
Building generational wealth. That
absolutely.
is that
That's
is
our goal.
brilliant investing brilliantly. That is the beautiful strategy.
Yes, absolutely. All right. Thanks everyone for joining us and happy investing.